Heart Evangelista reveals sacrifice for Harper's Bazaar Singapore cover. Heart Evangelista revealed that she had to make a sacrifice for the cover of Harper's Bazaar December 2023 issue. Global fashion icon Heart Evangelista shared her eventful time in Singapore in the latest episode of her reality series Heart World. She and her team went on a quick food trip and then worked in a shoot for a mall. Heart then revealed that she is scheduled for a cover shoot with a major magazine. It's Harper's Bazaar Singapore. This is, for me, a huge deal. Pero tatanggalin nila yung lashes ko so medyo nagkakaroon ako ng anxiety dahil dyan, she shared. Heart then kept her promise and made the small sacrifice of removing her eyelash extensions. Tatanggalin na po yung lashes ko. Babaklasin na kasi we're shooting for Harper's Bazaar cover the next day. It's a different look so they want no lashes at all. Hindi po ito pwedeng gawin sa ibang shoot. Hindi ko kaya, she said while in the car heading to the salon. She also shared that the request to remove her eyelash extensions was from Kenneth himself. He told me that he's been watching me from afar and that he was watched my journey in Fashion Week and he finally wanted to put me on the cover. He only had one request, na kailangan baklasin ko daw yung mga lashes ko. Syempre sanay nako na nakaganito nako so hindi ko nakilala ang sarili ko na walang lashes, she recalled. The sacrifice paid off and it resulted in a beautiful magazine covers. Sometimes, when it rains, it pours. This is my Harper's Bazaar issue and then sinurpes nila ko because it wasn't just one but two, Heart says while showing the covers. Watch more of Heart's adventure in Singapore in the latest episode of Heart World.